Hello, this is Mohsin. Today I will show you another Google Sheet tricks. This is not only Google Sheet, this is a combination of Google Form, Google Sheet, Google Doc, Google Drive, and then at last Gmail. So what will happen when user will fill up this Google Form? It will be saved in our Google Sheet. Automatically it will save one doc file. So the input of the Google Form, it will be saved in this template. So here you can see I have saved some template, and this template will be saved inside this email attachment. Then it will be converted into one PDF. Here you can see I generated one PDF and the doc file, and then one email will be sent. I will explain every step one by one. So here you can see now I am in editing mode. If I go in a user form fill up view, here you can see now I am a fill up view, and now I will update all of the data. So let's say Mohsin Uyan, and email ID, I'm just putting one email ID. Let's say I'm putting this one, and then here there is some interesting, you can input only US number because I validate the field in this way. So I'm just copying this one, or let's say 2347889-9090. Okay, so otherwise it will not work because I restricted the user, that user cannot input any other cell phone number. And then if I input, I want to start my gym from 25th of November 80, and then height is 75, and then let's say the personal training and early morning and the monthly subscription, and I will not go to upload any medical report here. Okay, so let's say if I upload, what will be happen? Let's see. And if I go my download, then I can see I will have some let's say this one, and it is uploading the data. And now if I click on the submit, and you will see that data will be saved here. So here you can see the personal training early morning, and I save this data 11 a.m. Here you can see my time is 11, and here you can see it is also 11. So data is stored here. Now I will see whether my Word doc file is ready or not. So now if I open this one again, here you can see this one created on 11 a.m. this time. Now if I open this one, you will see all of the field is updated with the Google Form input. So now if I go here, this 2 page is the company information, and here you can see my name, 80, 75, and monthly subscription, and so on. So now I'm closing this one. Even if I open the PDF file, it will be like the just same. And okay, now I will check the email. So now I am in my email ID. If I go in the send item, I will see this one. You can see this one submitted on 11 a.m. 0 minute ago, and my time is this. And if you see the PDF one, here you can see PDF is sent. If you need this kind of solution or any business solution, process automation, you can just message me anytime. I am ready for 24/7 Zoom call. As I'm a full-time freelancer, I can give you a very quick support. I am superly expert on Excel, Google Sheet, SharePoint, Power BI, Power Automate. I can develop anything in a very quickest time. Also, I provide consultation if you need to discuss anything. Maybe you have idea but you are not sure which process will be efficient for you. In that case, you can hire me and I can give you a better solution. So thank you so much. See you in another video, another automation. Have a good day. Take care.